Hello Art Beaters, Becky here with a new video and I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up to date on all things art beads, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Enjoy! Hello Art Beaters, I'm Becky and we've got a brand new video today. I hope you're excited because we've got lots of beautiful jewelry to take a look at today, so I hope that you can join me for what's sure to be some really inspiring jewelry and new items here at artbeads.com. So if you're new here, artbeads.com, we have all kinds of jewelry making supplies and instructions, free tutorials, all kinds of inspiration for making your own handmade jewelry, and today I'm going to be diving into some specifics. So I have summer jewelry inspiration for you to get you inspired for summer. Summer is coming. I don't know about you, but the weather has been getting better here, so I'm really excited for all of that. So I thought I would share summer jewelry inspiration. Summer is coming. I think the first official day of summer is June 20th, so it is right around the corner. And we have lots of beautiful summer jewelry inspiration in our design studio. So these projects all have free instructions for how to make them and a supplies list for easy shopping. So check out these pieces in our design studio, and we have even more than this. I promise you. There's lots of design inspiration there, so I've got links to everything in the video description. Okay, so here's some more inspiration if you need more. So we've got some beautiful summer jewelry. Love these. I made these stretch bracelets with the tile and brick beads, the Checkmates tile and brick beads. So these are the brick beads and these are the tiles. Really fun, really trendy for summer. So really nice, and they make great stretch bracelets. So super easy just to kind of color block or mix your colors, and they come on the strand, so you get plenty to work with. I mixed them in with some fire polished as well, and they turned out really pretty. I think these are great for summer. So lovely. Love that set. We've got lots of great little charms that are perfect for summer. This is just a cute little bangle that I made. I think in a previous video, I just whipped it up during the video, and I just added some really cute charms. We've got some lovely tiara cast charms, some sweet and petite enamel charms, a little rhinestone charm. But yeah, I just love adding just random charms like this to a bangle. And this is talking about choosing colors. This guy really informed my color choice. He's got yellow, white, black, and gold. So that's kind of what I went with for the rest of the colors in my piece. So that's a good idea. If you have a cute focal that really speaks to you, take colors from that. That's a good idea. I love this piece. I think it's so chic and sophisticated. So I mixed metals and paired it with this long rectangle and then just put it on some chain. It's really nice. And I did want to share, I'm wearing another piece, this lovely moon, and mine I've had for a while. So it has this cool patina going on. I just love copper patinas, but I love this necklace because it was so easy to make. I just added the moon to some fun cog chain, and you can really see some fun patina happening on my cog chain. I added a Nun Design hoop to the other end, so it's like a lariat, so you can just pull that moon through. I like to wear it like a choker and have the moon hanging long. So that's one of my favorite necklaces that I've made, and I think these are wonderful for summer. These are our Super Duo duets, so they have half of the bead is one color and half of the bead is another color, and it makes this really cool effect. And this one always reminds me of orca whales, and those orca whales are something that you see a lot in the Pacific Northwest, especially if you are out by the ocean at all. They do actually where Art Beads is located. I've told you guys before that to get to Art Beads headquarters, I do drive by the the ocean, I drive through a little spit of water, and the orcas actually come to that spit quite a bit. So they're really beautiful to see, and they always make me think of summer. So I think these super duos are kind of a unique summer choice. Yes, Valerie, we do have a pattern for this bracelet. It is called Orca Pod, and I have a link to it in the video description with a free tutorial and supplies list for making it. It is so pretty, so cool. It's hypnotic. I could just do this all day. Really, really pretty. I love that. And I think super duos and leather are a great summer choice as well. So this is just a little wrap bracelet that I made with leather super duos and some fire polished and a pretty check glass button. But this is such a pretty summer piece. It's kind of got summer sunset colors, and I like leather for summer jewelry. It's kind of a more casual feel. This lovely necklace is a nice kind of summer green color. Here in the Pacific Northwest, after all of the spring rains, everything is just so lush and green, and so this really makes me think of that. Really pretty colors. The toggle clasp is at the front, showcasing all of these pretty dangles and just some really fun summer green colors. So really nice color palette there. These earrings I think are perfect for summer. They've got those wonderful Swarovski Fine Rocks tube beads, really long ones in those gorgeous like summer glow sunset colors. And then you've got these beautiful dangles here. These are some of my favorite earrings. They are just, oh, they are so pretty. Love that. Perfect for summer. Some more fun summer colors. I think yellows and pinks are really nice summer colors. They just look like sunset, or the, you know, a summer sun low in the sky, just shining orange, pink, and yellow colors. So this set really says summer to me, and these beautiful little drops are glued into settings, and then linked up with a jump ring to these pretty check glass lotus beads. So pretty. I love these. More kind of fun summer orange colors. This is a memory wire bracelet, so memory wire is really fun and easy to work with. Great for quick summer projects, and we've got a lot of pretty tangerine crystal colors with some tiara cast beads and settings for the crystals. So this project goes by really fast and is like perfect summer colors. So pretty. And then another thing that I think is perfect for summer are mood beads. So we do have mood beads on our website, and they change color with temperature or based on your mood. See, look at that. I'm turning it purple and blue just with my hands. So that's really fun. And especially with tassels, I think this is the perfect summer jewelry option. So all of the beads here too are also mood beads. So fun. I just love it. They really do look so cool. I love it. And so that gives you a lot of fun ways to play with your color palettes within the body of the necklace as well. So we've got a lot of mood beads here in the body, but then we've got some lovely kind of blue and green fire polished beads. The tassels are a nice blue and green color because that tends to be some of the main colors in these mood beads, but you never know exactly what this necklace will look like because of the fun colors. They're just so great. Pretty. I love them. So you can find all of this summer jewelry inspiration in the artbeads.com design studio. I've got links to everything here in the video description. And if you just type in summer or sunshine yellow in our search box, you'll find even more inspiration from our design studio because we have tons of tutorials there. So don't miss all of these pretty pieces for summer. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see in future videos. Your suggestions are always so helpful and really great to know what you guys want to see, because that's really what I want to do, is inspire you and help answer your questions that you have about beading. So if you have any suggestions, any ideas, any questions, let me know and I will try to incorporate them. And don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment on this video. So make sure to hit all those links in the video description. There's all kinds of great tutorials and even more info on our website, artbeads.com, so don't miss those. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and see you later, guys. Bye!